Want to protect your privacy while using the Tesco app? Clearing your search history is a simple yet effective way to limit data collection and personalize your shopping experience. This video will guide you through the process on both iPhone, iOS, and Android devices. By clearing your search history, you prevent targeted ads and reduce the risk of unauthorized access to your shopping habits. Let's get started. On both iOS 18 Plus and Android 14 Plus, Tesco app v6.2 Plus, clearing your search history is irreversible and doesn't affect data synced across multiple devices. For iPhone users, start by opening the Tesco app. Tap your profile icon, then go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, and tap Clear Search History to confirm. This might also clear the app cache depending on your version. For Android users, open the Tesco app and tap the menu, which is usually 3 dots. Select Settings, go to Privacy, and tap Clear History. Android users can also clear app data through device settings by going to Settings, Apps, Tesco, Storage, and Clear Cache. Remember, proactively managing your data enhances your digital privacy and reduces your data footprint.